Hey, did you know that a very simple idea might be holding back your anatomy drawings? Well, today I'll show you a little design idea that artists have been keeping secret for years. By understanding it, you will quickly get better with your drawings. The important part is, if you already draw at all, you can easily adopt this extra dimension to your drawings. By the way, I'm Kuo, a fantasy illustrator, and this is probably the most important drawing tip that I got from art school, and I'll be showing to you. So let's go. When I first started drawing figures, it always felt like there was this colossal missing piece to my art. I couldn't quite understand why my figures were these wobbly little potatoes, until my teacher dropped this gem of a story on me. So allow me to spill the beans. Picture this, two people, both handed a deluxe dessert combo. The first lucky person was given an endless array of ice creams, puddings, and chocolate cakes. The second person, however, receives 2 scoops of ice cream atop a piping hot apple pie with a crispy breaded crust. Now, while both options are undeniably yummy, who do you reckon will be doing a happy dance after the dessert? Yep, you guessed it, the second person. But why, you ask? That's because for the second person, he can enjoy the soft, gooey stuff, but there's also crisp crunchiness. Meanwhile, the first person is left with a pile of goo in 5 minutes. But how does this have anything to do with drawing? Well, when we look at a figure, our sense of design has to make sense of it too. We don't just want a pile of wobbly goo. We want a nice balance of straights and curves. And how do we choose what's straight and what's curve? Lucky for us, our anatomy naturally presents a very compelling pattern of alternation between straights and curve, having angular bony structures and rounded fleshy muscles in between. For example, the result of adding some small amount of crunchiness near the bony parts create a very different feel to the drawing. Don't take it just from me. Look at this drawing by the great American illustrator Glenn Elfgren, using bits of crispy pie crusts to offset the soft and melty cake and ice cream parts. By the way, let me know how I'm doing by leaving a like or a comment. That would greatly be appreciated.